Okay, good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. So let's start our today's class with news headlines. One news I got from Harshit Jain. He's saying that NCR taken Deepika Padukone and Saif Ali Khan's daughter for inquiry on drugs matter. और कोई न्यूज़ नहीं मिला सुबह सुबह देने के लिए. We have lot many news to share here, है ना? Okay, waiting for news headlines. Then we will start our. In Switzerland, the government had asked its citizens to give vote for calling fighter jets like Rafale, etc. for protection of about 1 Arab rupees or not. Again, the news from Harshit. Okay. So, children, the chapter we are going to discuss today, we already discussed in our class. So, I would like here that I will tell the topic, then after I will unmute few of you and you will discuss on that particular topic. The first name I am going to call is, please listen it carefully. First of all, ensure me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you? Am I? Okay, Ayush, thank you. So, what I am saying is, here I am going to tell, I will call the name in group of 3 children. Okay. Here the children are Ayush Lunia, Aditya Jain and Akshat Malu. I am repeating the name Ayush Lunia, Aditya Jain and Akshat Malu. Fine. So I will give here task in the sense nothing like rocket science. I will just tell us some topic chapter related. Chapter we are going to discuss is development. We already discussed in our online classes, है ना? So this is now your turn. Okay, Ayush is facing some problem. So instead of Ayush, I am taking here Akshat Malu. Are you ready, beta? Aditya and Akshat Kochar. Fine. And the topic which I am going to discuss is development, chapter 1 of economics. Different person can have different development goal. ठीक है? What may be the development for one may not be development for other. It may even be destructive for other too, which we already discussed. We already discussed है ना, about the development. So you 3 children, the name called by me, will explain the definition and this statement what I just read here. Yes, start. Otherwise, I will tell children to raise your hand. Only 2, 3, 4 will raise their hand. है ना? And rest will troll कि मैम सिर्फ उन्हीं लोग को चांस देती है. बेटा, I am waiting. Okay, don't tell. So next 3 are Gaurav. Will you tell? Akshat Malu. Okay, beta. Akshat Malu, yes.
मैम एक बार क्वेश्चन रिपीट करिए ना.
It's not question, beta. It's a topic. Topic is development. है ना? Development. I just introduced it. Different person can have different development goals. what may be development for one may not be development for other. It may even be destructive for the other. So you have to start this chapter with the introduction. Fine. Here I am going to unmute Akshat Malu, Harshit Jain, but please don't tell together, okay? And Aditya Jain. Harshit, you are unmuted from my side.
Yes,
Aditya,
ma'am.
Aditya, you too. Now start. Yes, Akshat, start beta. Without wasting time, start it.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, please. Yes,
Uh, Ma'am, different person has different development goals. For example, for labor, his goal is to get more wages, and for uh, zamindar and all, has his goal is to have higher education to their children, to give higher education to their children, and
at
to
least while
settle their
presenting
children abroad.
yourself, you can um, or keep on your video. जब आप बोल रहे हैं तब तो video on कर लो. So whenever we start something new, first of all, we need to tell what's the meaning of particular word, है ना? Good, thank you, Harshit. Akshat, you too. Start your video. So the thing is, whenever we start something new, suppose if I start this chapter development, I start with definition, है ना? I start it with definition. What's the meaning of development? So Harshit, please tell the definition of development. Then
The process in which something grows,
yes, continue beta.
and the process in which something grows is called development.
Yes. Now continue. Good going.
Ma'am, development for one may be development, may not be development for others. It may be destructive for them. For
Yes.
example, ma'am, on constructing dam for electricity giving, it may be good for some people, while the local people of their area, their house will be destroyed, their slum they will be destroyed.
Yes. Good going beta.
So by this, that we can say that development for one may not be development for others. It may be destructive for them.
Good. Anyone else? No, it's per your choice. Anyone can of you tell this? Viram, Nandika, Divyansh, Katrela. Anyone of you can answer now. Yes, Viram?
Good morning, ma'am. May I speak?
Yes, please. Good morning. First of all, keep on your video.
Ma'am, firstly, yes, ma'am.
Keep on your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell. Yes.
Ma'am, first of all, what is development? Development is something which is progressive change, positive change towards a student. For it may be good reading, good writing, but it may not be development for another person. It may be even destructive for them.
Yes.
So development is something which means different for different person, means it has another reason for everyone. Likewise, what I is my goal. But as a teacher, someone will be frequency to be means high understanding, understanding habit and such things. Even Likewise, someone is moving in vehicle. He may be wanting to move as fast as possible to reach his destination. But the people who are moving on road may feel like he should move slow because it may be disruptive for them.
Very good.
So in that way, what is development for me may be destructive for someone else.
Yes. Aditya Jain is here. Development is a process, creates growth, progress, positive change, or the addition of physical, economic, environmental, social, and demographic components. Yes. So, all of we are knowing about the development. Good, Viram. Here, a branch of economics, because in a perspective of economics we are seeing this, that's why I am adding here a branch of economics that focus on improving the economic of developing countries. Development economic considers how to promote economic growth in such countries by improving factors like health, education, working conditions, domestic and international policies, and market conditions. It examines both macroeconomic and microeconomic factors relating to the structure of a developing country, a developing economy, and how that economy can create effective domestic and international growth. Okay, so this is meaning of development in perspective of economic. In a simple sentence, I can say the idea of development or the progress has always been with us. We have aspiration or desire about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. That is means something progressive change or something positive growth. It is development. है ना? It is development. So many examples are there. As Harshit and Viram already put some examples. So the next topic is development for different people. सबका जो डेवलपमेंट गोल है वो अलग अलग होता है. समटाइम्स व्हाट इट हैपन, समथिंग इज डेवलपमेंट फॉर मी बट फॉर अदर इट इज डिस्ट्रक्टिव टू. जरूरी नहीं कि जो मेरा डेवलपमेंट है वो डेवलपमेंट सबके लिए इक्वल हो. गॉट इट? Ayush Lunia is saying here, development for a rich urban girl is to get much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. She is able to pursue her studies abroad, and for his brother is get a good college. Okay, so rather than this we can put so many examples here, है ना? Many examples are there which we can put here, like development goals of a different category of a person, like landless rural laborers, rich person, landless rural laborers, what they want: more days of work, better wages, economic and social equality, है ना? In other hand, rich person, what they want: higher family income, better education to their children, to settle their children in abroad. Now, in the same context, I would like to ask from you. Now, you can raise your hand. I am not asking for name. In this current scenario, है ना? So many our societies, हम उसको classified करें ना करें, but then after our society is classified in various groups. Like I am talking on economic base, है ना? Like some laborers are there, vendors are there who supposed to sell vegetables, fruit and all in their rickshaw or रेडी, है ना? In Punjabi, but ready, I don't know what it call in Hindi. Or some people are small businessmen like shopkeepers, grocery shop, like that. Some are big businessmen like marble merchant or owner of any big mall or something else. some people are doing job or services, है ना? So in present scenario that continuously lockdown is going on, what could be the development, what could be the point of view of different people in this scenario? Just raise your hand fast. I'm counting 5, 4, 3. Yes, got it. Nandika.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the development of source for these people, such as the vendors and the local wage workers, would be the similar, but it would be more work and their freedom to work. And as their work is seasonal, and the fruit vendors as well. Now, people are very scared by fruits and vegetables also due to this pandemic situation.
Yes.
So, it would be their goal would be to sell more and more fruits so that they could stabilize the condition that is in their home. Some of them they don't have even money to drink water, money to buy food also.
Yes. Good.
This would be the development to sell more and more goods
So,
which are perishable.
very good. If we will take an example of present scenario, the most important example I would like to put here is being a teacher. I hope कि lockdown खुल जाए. For development for me, this much is development now. Okay. So good example. One more thing again I would like to say here, whenever you present yourself, please keep on a video. Okay, Nandika. Let's continue. Then after I will call name in again three groups. But it is very bad thing, children, you are not participating properly. Class 10th के student हो गए ऐसा कर रहे हो आप लोग, हाँ? This example is put by many children. So different person can have different development goals. What may be the development for one may not be development for other. It may be destructive, as Harshit told about the example of dam, है ना? What could be the other destructive example? Suppose a person is the owner of a cigarette factory. He will promote, he will advertise all the places of cigarette company that this is good and that. But all of we know that cigarette is injurious to health, है ना? It may be cause of cancer and cause of death too. Not maybe, it is, है ना? So many more example, not many example, and numbers of examples there we can put here. Hopefully this is all clear. Now a question arises, do all of these person have the same notion of development or progress? No. The answer is obviously no, because just we discuss all these things. So we got to know that different people can have different development goal, and maybe the development for other can be destructive for someone else. So children, if related the question regarding development, so first of all define it. Then if the question is for 3 or 5 marks, must put the goal, and please try to put example of your views, not of bookish language. ठीक है? Income and other goals. Besides seeking more income, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect of others. है ना? There is a discrimination. In some cases, this may be more important than income, because material goods are not all that you need to live. Yes, it is very important thing that we always forget, है ना? हम इसको हमेशा साइड कर देते हैं कि उसकी इनकम अच्छी, उसकी सैलरी अच्छी है, और शी इज अ maid of my house, or she is working on my any company like this. But the main thing is कि we should must respect. Sometimes क्या होता है, लोगों का लाइफ का गोल होता है सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, है ना? So it is also very main component of development. Please do not forget to add this. Whenever we talk economics, है ना, we always go with economical context. We always forget such type of things. It could be also. Yes, Divyansh, you are saying right. So next, for next topic, I would like, children, you will choose your topic or shall I tell? You will raise your hand. Now the next topic is national development. The next topic is national development. Very important topic of this chapter, that is national development. It is very important to keep in mind that different person could have different as well as conflicting national notions of countries development. How to compare different countries or state? It is the heading of your NCERT book which I am reading here. How to compare different countries or state? Now raise your hand. I am repeating the question. How to compare different countries or state? Again Harshit, and no, this time I would like to listen from Subrat. Yes, Subrat, please tell the answer. Yes, Arihant Lunia. Good. Beta, those who got chance once, we give chance but later on, hai na? Yes, Arihant, continue.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, we can compare nation country by national income.
So how?
Of
Hmm.
per capita income.
I think your net connectivity is
The
not.
country which have capital.
Darshan,
The country which have more per. The country with more per capita income is developed country, and which is not and otherwise is health facility, security,
Yes. Then
infrastructure.
infrastructure. Okay.
Uh,
Subrat is saying
when
ma'am, per
one
capita
who
income, GDP and health. Divyansh is saying education literacy. Yes. Yes, Aryan, continue beta.
the man one who have more than 12,000 $600 is developed country, and one who have $1,035 as a per capita income is low income country.
Okay. Fine. So, here Divyansh is saying education literacy. What is the meaning of 1053, Divyansh here? Divyansh, better you raise your hand. I will unmute you. Human resource development, GDP are the factors. Dollar. Okay. So, here we are discussing about national development. So, for comparing countries, their income is considered to be one of the most important attributes. Most important attributes means सबसे important factor है वो. Okay. So, countries with higher income are more developed than others with less income. This is based on the understanding that more income means more of all things that human beings need. Whatever people like and should have, they will be able to get with greater income. So, greater income itself is considered to be one important goal. Got it? Is it clear? The Criterion we may use to compare depends on the purpose of comparison. We use different criteria to choose a sports team, a music team, a debate team, or a team to organize a picnic. Usually, we take one more important characteristics of person and compare them based on this. For comparing countries in is their income. Their income is considered to be one of the most important attributes. Greater income is considered to be one important goal. And obvious we see it if we ask about America, if we talk about discuss about the America, what we supposed to tell is America is very rich country. The first thing comes in our tongue, that is America is a well developed and very rich country. Okay, so another thing we are talking about the another aspects also कि सिर्फ क्या मनी होने से या बहुत रिच होने से वो कंट्री डेवलप कंट्री है. Greater income is considered to be the one important goal. Whatever people like and should have, they will be able to get with their greater income. Is it correct? Read the last point. Whatever people like and should have, they will be able to get with greater income. The last point, can you justify the answer? Sonal, Harshit, Arihant, Sonal, Arihant, Nandika. Nandika is saying it is true, ma'am, and rest are saying it is no, not true. Akshat is again saying not true. I am also saying not true, Nandika. How you are saying better true? Huh? If we will take example of Saudi Arabia, do you know wealthiest country Saudi Arabia? और द कंट्रीज सारे लोगों को ये लोग अपना मनी ट्रांसफर करते हैं फॉर टेररिज्म एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स, है ना. सो इज इट अ डेवलप्ड कंट्री? नो, वी कैन नॉट से, बिकॉज टिल द डेट द वुमेन आर सफरिंग देयर, है ना. वुमेन के पास किसी भी प्रकार का कोई भी राइट नहीं है वहां पे टिल द डेट. So how we can say without literacy, without any medical facility, we cannot say the particular country is developed properly. So there is no income tax, voting right. Yes, Divyansh, you're right. But on a personal level, yes, it is possible. We are talking about national level, not the personal level. Okay. Yes, Akshat, I know Saudi Arabia is not a terrorist country. But what it happened, I'm talking about there the education, literacy, all these things, है ना, and the medical facilities too. Comparison of different countries or state. Comparison of countries are particularly based on their income. The first thing what we see is income. No doubt the first thing we see that is income. It is the basic attribute of comparison. Countries with higher income are more developed than those with less income. Here more income means more things of available that human need. Another slide is for the same topic. For comparison between countries, total income is not such a useful measure. Since countries have different populations, comparing total income will not tell us what the average person is likely to earn. In World Development Report brought out by the World Bank, the criterion used is countries with per capita income of rupees 4,53,000 per annum and above in year 2004 are called rich country. Okay. Those with the per capita income rupees 37,000 or less are called low income countries. India comes under low income countries because its per capita income in 2004 was just rupees 28,000 per annum. The rich country are generally called developed country. How to find the income of a country? How to find the income of a country? Yes. Okay, two children are continuously raising their hand. Yes, Arihant. Then after I will come to you, Harshit.
So, ma'am, total income of the country upon total population of
Beta,
total
please
income
text me.
of
You are not properly audible. Arihan, please text me.
total
Sanit is saying nowadays India is called as a developing country. Yes, nowadays. Yes, Mehul?
And we compare countries by their per capita income, which is
How we
also known as,
calculate per capita income, Mehul?
and we find it, ma'am, total income of the country divided by total total population.
Total population, है ना? Yes. Look at here. Just he told total
Yes.
income is divided by its total population. India. If we will talk about the India, what we found here, कि population is more than 130 crores. Very less people are rich here. Those income are more than 50,000. है ना? And less, most of our beggars, laborers, small farmers. So think about it, per capita income. Okay. Think on it, per capita income. Yes, Mehul, continue, beta. Mehul, continue. Mehul.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, कंटिन्यू करो अपना आंसर पूरा. Okay. Harshit. Yes, Harshit.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, while previously the national income is counted, but it is founded that to national income we cannot get the total income, and because the total number of people is different in many countries. So World Bank has introduced counted the per capita income, which is counted by uh, total income upon total population.
Okay.
But it is founded that through per capita income we cannot get the health status of the country and literacy rate of the country. Uh, so the Human Development Report is published by UNDP, United Nations Development
Later
Program.
on we will discuss on that
Okay.
topic also, Harshit. आप थोड़ा सा आगे चले गए हैं. We will discuss on that topic also. So done.
Okay.
Thank you, beta. Here Sonal is saying something. No, Sonal, your statement is wrong, so I am not reading over here. Okay, children. So it was a nice and healthy discussion. Tomorrow I would like to listen from Purab Jain. So many children are there. Millie. Yes, Riyanshi. Riyanshi is saying here. Akshat Malus is saying here, ma'am, in India, development is often connected to religion. Can you justify your answer, Akshat? Yes. Akshat Jain is raising hand. Yes. Yes, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, I was having a doubt that what is the meaning of notion?
बाप रे. आप लोग पहले अपना इंटरनेट ठीक करो भाई. Tomorrow The next topic I would like to listen from Vardhaman, Purab, and one more. Suggest me one name. Let me search. Bhavi Surana. Okay. Yes, Sanidhya. Sanidhya is also there. So, tomorrow be ready. Till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye.